All right. This is going to be unfortunate. This is going to be bad.
We'll see.
We're going to explain to our 17 subscribers what we're doing today.
It's 20.
Oh, my God.
20 subscribers
20.
on the dot.
Okay.
Today, we're going to be doing a food challenge. We're going to... We've each gotten... Well, I got him 6 things. He got me 5 things to blindly taste test.
This might ruin our relationship.
When neither of us know what it is, what they are.
This is going to be fun.
This will be interesting.
Well, I'm going to go... Well, he's going to go first on eating the stuff.
Yeah.
All right. And then I'll go.
All right.
All right. We'll take off them glasses, big boy.
Let's do it.
You can tie that yourself.
Yeah, well.
Okay.
I'll just have to fucking do it up this way, I guess. Like a fucking do-rag.
You can't see.
Like a fucking do-rag.
You got it, Casey?
No. I mean, my eyes are closed anyways,
All
but...
right. Well, here we go. Let's
do I look fucking...
No, you
how's this look? I can't see myself.
It's perfect.
All right. All right, here we go. I'm scared.
Yeah. All right. Our first item on the list. Right.
This is so scary when you can't fucking see. He's gonna like spoon feed me like a little toddler.
Yeah.
All right.
You have to guess what it is.
Am I gonna spit this shit over my fucking
No.
keyboard?
All right. Are you ready?
I thought we should got like a fucking.
No, you're fine. All
right.
Ready?
Oh
Here we
God.
go. Open your mouth. Ready? Go. Can you tell me what that was?
I really wish I didn't have to swallow that. That was soy sauce.
Yes, there you go.
That was a fucking experience.
That's your first item.
Where's the ginger ale?
That's right here. There you go, bro.
Today we're sponsored by Canada
You're not
Dry.
even... Okay, there you go.
#1 brand when it comes to ginger ale.
What kind of rag to wipe this spoon off?
Jesus.
All right, you ready for the next item?
No. I feel like we should have we should start off soft and went harder, but that's fucking. This is getting right into it.
Yes. Okay. So the next item on the list.
I'm kind of wishing I. All right. Well, never mind.
Are you ready for the next item? 3.
Can I have a trash can?
No, 3.
Dude,
2. No, 3.
If I spit this shit
You're not. 3, 2, 1.
Mm-mm.
You have to swallow it. Here's your ginger ale.
Bro, come on, dog. Bro, come on, bro. Mm-mm.
You're supposed to swallow it. What can you tell us what it was?
It didn't necessarily taste bad, but it was fucking powder. What is that? It's not garlic powder, is it?
It is garlic powder.
Is it?
It is garlic powder.
Oh, shit.
Good job.
Where's the fucking...
It's right here.
Holy shit, dude.
Yep.
I fucking... Hold on, I'm gonna go take back some of the shit I got you.
This is
you all are gonna see
I'm gonna go
the
get
fucking difference
I'm gonna go get
between the shit that we fucking brought each other. I'm 2 for 2.
You are 2 for 2.
Am I even in the camera? I can't fucking... Where am I?
You're good. You're in the
Okay.
camera. You're good.
Okay.
All right. Here's the next item. Okay.
Dude.
Yes.
This is not how I thought this was gonna go. I mean, like, partially, but also...
Ready?
I thought, like...
You can't be talking.
All right.
All right. Because I'm trying to go fast so you don't smell it before you taste it.
That's fair enough. That's
So
fair.
then you don't get creeped out.
Okay.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh, okay. It's cottage cheese.
Yes, it is cottage cheese.
That texture
Yes, it was nasty, wasn't it?
I was about to fucking spew. The cold chunks hit my fucking mouth.
Yep. God, it's cheese.
And then I was like, okay, it's just fucking.
Wow, you're doing really good.
But that texture was fucking gnarly, dog. When you don't know what the fuck's in your mouth, you just feel this cold, slimy fucking chunks of milk hit your fucking mouth.
Okay, ready for the next item?
Okay, almost done. Thank the Lord. Wow, you really fucked me over on this one.
Are you ready?
It still just tastes like fucking garlic in my fucking mouth, dude. All right.
All right, I already showed the camera what your next item was. Are you ready? 3.
Hold on. Okay.
3.
Okay. Yeah.
2. 1. Why do you chew it like that?
It's like a graham cracker,
I mean,
but
yeah.
it's like cinnamon. It's like, I don't know, it's like a cinnamon cookie.
Yeah. That's those Girl Scout cookies
Oh.
your dad has downstairs.
Okay, that one was nice.
There, you're welcome. All right.
Is there one more still?
Yes, there we
Fuck.
have one more item.
I was ready this all over me.
Next item on our list. You ready?
I guess.
3, 2, 1.
The fuck? It's fucking under my tongue. It's just fucking like so.
That's okay.
Is that cinnamon?
I don't know what it is. It's actually.
Oh, give me a fucking trash can, dog.
Okay, you want a trash can? There you go. What does it taste like? It tastes like cinnamon? Because it shouldn't.
The fuck is that? Oh, don't tell me.
Okay. Because you're 4 for 5 right now.
Okay, this is for the fucking money, man. There's like fucking powder in my hand.
There's 3 words in this ingredient, but if you just guess,
3 fucking.
yeah. Well, there's actually it's 2 words, but if you can guess either one of the words, you can have it.
Fuck. What is this, dude? The fuck's in my seasoning cabinet, dog?
The trash can's looking a little rough. Okay, yeah, take it back.
It's some kind of fucking like cinnamon nutmeg, fucking. Fuck it, I'm not gonna guess it. What is it?
It's a ground spice.
Ground spice.
Yes.
I got robbed. I was cheated out of my fucking 5 for 5.
There you go. There's your 5 items.
That was cheap.
There you go.
Ground spice.
You did it. You take off the blindfold now. All right.
That's my turn.
Okay.
First item.
Oh God. Oh. That doesn't sound good.
All right.
Dude. What the f- is that? That does not sound good. It sounds like, oh.
All right.
Okay.
You ready?
Not really, because you know I don't like hot things, and I swear to God.
Okay. Open up. Open up, baby.
Did you show him?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
All right.
3, 2, 1. Yeah, how do you think I felt with a whole entire spoonful of fucking garlic powder in my fucking mouth?
All right.
Dude, it's like fucking sawdust coming out of your mouth. Dog, no.
Look at it. Oh, my mouth is so dry. There's like oats, or what do they call them?
Yeah, you got it.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like oatmeal.
Oatmeal, that's it. Yeah.
All right, let's see what else I got in my bag of goodies for
Oats.
you. Next up, let's get it. Okay, are you ready?
I hope so.
Let's get it a little bit closer. It's a little bit closer.
Okay. Is that good?
All right. You ready? Okay. 3. Open that mouth up. 3, 2, 1. You good, bro? Hey,
it's hot. Oh God.
Can you guess it though? That's the real question. My boy's shaking over here.
I said I don't like hot things. What do you put some hot in my mouth?
Well, I can't just trade up my item.
My mouth is watering.
That shit is so fragrant. I just smell it.
Okay.
Here.
Let me get that drink.
Right here.
Yeah, thanks.
Right there. Serve it up. That's our sponsor for today. Canada Dry. Go get you some.
There's no way that can be that stuff you eat. What's it called?
I love sriracha. Oh
yeah, sriracha.
shit!
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
But yeah, that's what it is.
Sriracha, yeah, because that's what you eat with your like ramen. Oh God, my mouth, dude. I need more.
There's not that much left. You better make it last, baby. Next up, you ready?
Yep.
All right, here we go, baby. 3, 2, 1. Oh shit.
That's I'm not gonna swallow that because that tastes disgusting as hell.
Really?
But I know what it is.
What is it?
Oh
God.
God.
Come on, bro. Of all the shit.
Give me a drink.
What is it? Yeah, dramatic.
No, it's disgusting. Whatever it is.
It's dramatic.
Oh my God, I've tasted that before. I have no idea. I don't know.
You want me to tell you? One guess. Just throw a guess out in the dark.
It's kind of some kind of mustard, maybe.
Mustard?
Maybe. You know what? No, wait. No. Yeah. Fuck. I don't know.
It was honey.
Honey.
You said mustard. Bro, are you good? Some kind of mustard? It was literally just a spoonful of honey.
Yeah, I've never had honey by itself.
Ever?
No.
Oh.
No, yeah. I don't sit there with a jar of
Well,
honey
I guess
scooping it out.
It was mixed in with a little sriracha, so maybe that's where you
Yeah,
got the mustard from. Well, I'll try to go easy on you after that last one. All right, just keep chugging along. For the next one, boys and girls. All right.
I could do that so you can open the lid.
Not true.
Shut up.
It's still got a little residue on this.
Right, huh?
It's fine. It's fine. It's not completely clean spoon. All right, 3,
Okay.
2, 1.
Should I swallow it?
You can swallow if you want. I swallowed the fucking soy sauce. God damn, I can feel my blood pressure raise as soon as I did. This one, it's a tough one. I'll tell you that. I don't think I'd be able to guess this one.
Yeah, what the heck? I've never had that, whatever that is.
I'm positive you have.
It almost tastes like it has a hint of vinegar in it. Possibly.
It's not vinegar, but
I know it's not vinegar, but it. Nah, I don't know.
You want me to tell you?
Yeah.
Worcestershire sauce.
Yes. See, I've never had that.
It's in
Worcestershire sauce? I've never had that.
It's in a lot of cooking. Two more things. Okay. This next one. All right, you ready for it?
Yeah, why? We don't laugh like that, bro.
No, it's just the whole thing is just funny. That's it. That's all it is.
Why does that sound so loud?
What sounds so loud?
Okay.
Okay, I was trying to show the camera.
Ready?
All right. You ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Okay. Bro, is that... Okay. Bro, that's cooking oil.
It's vegetable oil.
Yeah. Bro, what the heck?
That was vegetable oil.
That had no taste. It was just soft. Very soft.
Not that bad?
No.
That's good. Okay. Last one. You've made it to the end.
How many have I missed? 2. I missed 2.
Okay. You ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh. Thank God. That was a relief. Well, that's Greek yogurt.
Yeah, that's the yogurt. And that concludes today's challenge.
That was horrible. Wow. That was fun. That's a different experience, man. That's different. I encourage people to try that.
I didn't give you like powders, really. I gave you like the oatmeal. That was it.
Yeah, the oatmeal
But
that was fun.
that was fine.
I enjoyed that.
So
Well,
hope you guys enjoyed. Whoever's watching, subscribe, please. Give a like, please. Seriously.
yes.
Thank you guys.